This video is for helping kids manage mouthing behaviors. This is one video in a playlist, so please click through the strategies to see which one makes the most sense for your child. Now, sometimes it helps to reduce mouthing when you can find an activity or another type of a behavior that's purely incompatible with mouthing. So here's an example. If your child is mouthing during transitions, what you would do is instruct the child and teach them to put their hands in their pockets or to put their hands maybe inside the pocket of a hoodie type of a sweatshirt that they could wear during transitions, because their hands would then not be able to grab an object and put it in the mouth. So what you're doing is setting up a situation where it's incompatible to do mouthing while engaging in what you're instructing the child to do. So it's a really good kind of a trick for some kids in terms of having their hands be in a different location so that they can't pick up an object and put it in their mouth. Pockets are great because it's natural. It's something that is clearly portable in multiple environments, and this could help with multiple transitions. So consider that type of a strategy, and hopefully that, paired with maybe a couple of the other ones, will bring significant help to your child.